Hey, y'all, wake up, man. It's Cole LeBarber. Man, I did not feel like getting up this morning, but I got in here and got it in. I want to talk to y'all about excuses and reasons, right? What excuses or reasons that you are making and creating and using to do what it is that you want to do or what you need to do or to manifest your goals, dreams, and aspirations. Oftentimes, we got people that, everybody say they got goals, dreams, and aspirations, but, you just you're just not quite achieving them. You can't see it in their actions. You understand what I'm saying? If you was in a situation to where your life was at stake, if you don't get something done, at that point, you really don't have an excuse, You don't have an excuse why you shouldn't do something. You're gonna make up every reason to do it. Your life is at stake, for crying out loud. There's no other way. That's the only way to get it done, All right, let me show y'all something. Look at this. I'm in the gym in some $300 Cole Haan boots. You understand? I got nothing on my feet right now because I've been here with my shoes off. I didn't make an excuse. You understand? I didn't make an excuse because there's no excuse why I shouldn't be able to get done what needs to be done in order to achieve my goals, dreams, and aspirations. I'm not a gym guy. Well, I guess I'm a gym guy because I'm always in the gym, but I'm not a workout guy. I'm a barber, professional barber, but I make it priority. My health is priority, you understand? I make an excuse and a reason to come to the gym. You understand what I'm saying? More times than not, people make excuses why they shouldn't go to the gym. But me, I make excuses and reasons why I should go to the gym. You understand what I'm saying? I'm tired of hearing the excuse of time, right? We all got time. We all got time. We all got time to get the things done that we need to get done. We all got the time. We got it. But it's like I was talking to a client yesterday, right? And he was like, he want to start getting up at 5 a.m. and getting his run in. And I told him, so I was like, he like to have everything done by 11 a.m. Which is a decent time to have things done. So I said, what time to wake up? It's like 8. So that's like 2 hours, man. It's an unproductive day. So I was like, what you should do is wake up at 5 a.m., force it, because the hardest part about anything is waking up, right? Getting up and actually putting the action into place. It's the hardest part. So, like I told him, I said, get up, force yourself to wake up at 5 a.m. and just start doing it. Go for a run, If you try to have everything done by 11, at 5 a.m. when you wake up, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 6 hours. That's a work day for some people. And you already up and got everything done by 11 a.m. You understand? But the reason you make reasons and excuses, and we all do it, or have done it. We make reasons and excuses. I want to get some sleep. I want to sleep in. I want to, all this other stuff. Everything other than doing whatever it is that you got to do, right? So you cannot make excuses, you understand, to not do something. You got to make excuses and reasons to move forward. Matter of fact, if your goals and dreams and aspirations are a top priority to you, you're going to be, focused directly on that. And it's nothing can stop you. Nothing can get in your way of getting it done, right? You know, so if you got goals, dreams, aspirations, consider yourself hungry, because you're hungry, and you're hungry. And everything that you need to achieve your goals, dreams, and aspirations is food, right? You get what I'm saying? Metaphorically speaking, if you're hungry, you need food. It ain't no questions asked about that. You will eat it raw if you have to, if you get hungry enough. You understand? The objective is to get your belly full, or at least, you know, kill that hunger, right? So if you're hungry for your goals, dreams, and aspirations, the actions that you need to take, waking up early in the morning, you know, writing your goals, dreams, aspirations down, being disciplined, being focused, you know, staying the course over a long period of time. All of that is food to your goals, for your goals, dreams, and aspirations. You understand what I'm saying? Those things are mandatory, and you got to do it no matter what. No matter how you try to trick yourself and fool yourself, you got to do it. If you want to lose weight, but you sitting up here and you steady stuffing your face and you're eating too much because you can't fight out gluttony, then you really don't want to lose weight. What you want to do is, you want to eat. I bet you that much. I can tell you want to eat because I see your belly. I see your fat. I see them fat cheeks. You know, I see them fat ankles. I see that fat belly. That says you want to eat. You know you're not supposed to, but you do it anyway. Same way with achieving your goals, dreams, and aspirations. You know, if you want it that bad, you'll do things that you don't supposed to do to get it done. And that's making an excuse and a reason to do it. You know? It's gonna get hard sometimes. It's gonna get very hard. It's gonna get so hard that you're gonna wanna quit. It's gonna get so hard to where you're gonna wanna give up and you're gonna wanna quit. You understand what I'm saying? So, make excuses and reasons to get the things done, man. You understand what I'm saying? When I decided I wanted to be a barber, you know, I wanted to be a top barber, remain a motivational, inspirational figure, be a barber, because I wanted to, you know, be my own boss and all that good stuff. I decided I wanted to be a barber that do well for myself. So I made the conscious decision. You gotta do what others are not doing, man. You gotta sacrifice sleep. I done went home at 1 a.m. at times. Christmas morning. You understand? I had a family at home. Christmas morning, you know, because I was putting that work in. You understand what I'm saying? Now I'm just in abundance with clients. You understand? And my brand is well known, and I'm constantly achieving. You understand? Constantly making new goals, constantly, you know, leveling up, you know, increasing my knowledge, steady waking up early, steady making a conscious effort to get things done that need to be done. No excuses. You understand what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm just here to try to inspire y'all and motivate y'all, man. Like I said, I didn't want to get up this morning. I got these $300 boots, you know, and I had to wear them in the gym today because I didn't sleep at home last night. You understand what I'm saying? You know, so I didn't have my gym shoes, but oh well, look at what I got on, man. I'm tacky in the gym today, you understand? But they're working though. Look at that. Look at them guns. Oh my God. I'm just a barber though. I'm just a barber, man. You know, look at them guns, right? That come from waking up, getting it in, man. I want y'all to wake up and get it in too, man. I hope this video inspires y'all and motivates y'all, let y'all know, man. Just don't make no excuses, man. That's all I'm here to do is motivate and inspire, man. I'm Cole the Barber. Y'all tune in. If this video inspired you, if you want to see more of it, hit the notification bell so this can go around, you know, YouTube or Instagram and let other people see it. So hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for new videos. You know, comment down below some excuses you've been making, right? To not do something or to do something. And let me know, you understand? Let me know down in the comments, man. Y'all like the video, comment, subscribe. It's Cole the Barber. Let me get back to my workout in these tacky ass clothes. All right, man.